know. Merging of the incompatible. Merging of the incompatible. Yeah. Taking two things that are mutually exclusive, placing them side by side and finding a single common denominator they share. This is juxtaposition of incongruity. Yeah. And what juxtaposition of incongruity does is it creates a sort of absurdity. So let us discuss ambiguity. What is ambiguity? Ambiguity means indecisiveness, uncertainty, triple or more interpretations, and within some syntactical context, vagueness. So, ambiguity is not vague, and vague is not ambiguity. Ambiguity may be vague within. I did a 1-hour lecture on Jerome Box previously, taking a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a transdisciplinary, and also an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder, where I approach mental disorder from 10 key areas: philosophical analysis, psychological analysis, a physics analysis, a musical theoretical analysis, a linguistic analysis, a parapsychological